I have to go. This is so scary. This is I can't believe there's something creepy right here. What is it? What the? Stop! Leave me alone. Ouch. I'm opening it. What is these? Hey, will you keep it down? We're soldiers, alright? Animals! Did you get me? Mom? It's almost time for breakfast, Goody. Who's this man? It's... oops. It's a dinosaur. Yeah. What do you want? Nothing. And this... no. Why does the hand keep on getting me? Oops. There's also a pig. Hello, pig. Oink, oink, oink. You and OMG. Who are you? I think his name is Buzz. Yes, and what do you like? I am an astronaut. I know, I wanted to be an astronaut when I grow up. So now leave me alone. I'm too heavy. And my evil man and his minions. So, let's go. Oh, hey, dog. Pet dog. Come on. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Whoop. Come on, there's something creepy here. Whoop, whoop. They didn't help at all. Goody, time for breakfast. Good, what's for breakfast? Waffles and egg. Oh, and cheese sticks. And what's for drinking? Okay, Mom, where's the breakfast? Wait, okay. Make it stop looking at them. Actually, that was a good place. Thanks, Mom. You're welcome. Everybody really enjoyed. So, bye. Hey, this looks like the retarded polar bear I saw 3 weeks ago. It's me, one of your cousins. So leave me alone, okay? Oh shoot, it's the giant. What do you want? Take that. Want more love? My name is not Sharu. Who the heck? What do you want? Shoot. Stop attacking my... Stop attacking my cousins. No, leave her alone. This is not good. Oh, oh no, it's him. It's him. Come on, dear guy. Yeah. Okay. Watch me. Oh, don't leave me alone. Oh, I believe not. Ow. I'm gonna be right back. You better come back here. I'm not through with you. Did you guys help me? We don't do free wars. Only for people that need problems. Sorry. Oh, let me go. Whoa. Buddy. Time for, well, come here. Can't be outside for a long time. Goody? Goody? What happened to you? Who's God? My name is not Goody. My name is Woody. You're not Goody. You move out. Oh, what the hand got me. The hand got me. You get over here and leave Goody alone. Ouch. Mommy, come. You too. Okay, that looks like the polar bear. My name is not Polar Bear. Oh shit. Who are all these people? It's a car and a guy that's a potato. Don't call me a potato. And a dinosaur. What do you guys want? And a bucket of soldiers. Yes. Who's the general of these soldiers?
Who's got thick?
Well, I am. I am. I'm gonna be attacked by giant people. Run! Okay, it's time for us to go. Woo! I like making films here. Shoot, what is all this? Who's that? That would be super great, but I think I have to stay with my family. Thanks for saying so. You can't mess with my good. Fine, I will. Can I take all my family with me? Of course, I think I should tell my soldiers. So soldiers, open the door. Get us. What do you want? Can you stay with us? I mean, can we live with this family? Oh, let me see the family. Hold on. Well, of course you can. I like this family. Let's join. Okay, everyone, get in there. Woo! Great, yeah! Woo! Ha ha ha! I'm with them. Ha ha. So, Mom, I have a question. When is Roger coming back? Hello? Me, Roger. Roger! Roger, my new cousin! You're back! With the other guys. Of course I am. Let's party! Oh God.